furnaces that would have had a big chimney on it.
And they made what?
Iron.
That is so neat.
Look at all the brick.
That's a little power.
Walk over a little closer.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And don't get close.
Don't fall in the water.
Be very careful. Do you think she can do it? Did it?
Yeah.
Where are you taking us? Oh, look at the turtle. Hey, just feel. What is it? Yeah, honey. Oh, yeah.
They look a little different in here.
Daddy,
Right.
come here.
Yeah. Are they alive? Those things are alive. Oh, it's moving.
Daddy, I'm never gonna have a whole plane with you.
Wow. This is so pretty. Why is he going back and forth, honey? Is he scared?
Who was this guy?
What, honey?
That child is scared because he was down.
Oh,
No! Look at the mouse.
wow.
Yeah, they live out in the woods.
That's a big wildcat. It is a Kentucky wildcat.
Daddy, I was told that last time.
That is so cute.
Whatever we mom. Okay, wait. That's her.
You okay? What? She does.
You just wanted to take cocker gators.
Yeah, it's